Hey everyone, welcome back to another campground tour. This time we are going to go through Camp Margaritaville, located in Auburndale, Florida. As you can see as we're going through the front gate right here. We stayed at Camp Margaritaville for a week in March. And it was one of the most fun campgrounds we've been to this year. On the left, we'll be going by the main hub of activity, the pool, activity centers, bars. They have a stage there where they'd have musicians play. The campground itself is a newer campground. All the campsites are paved, well-groomed, well-maintained. And as we go down this road, you see they even have cottages on the right that you can rent. There are two pools at Camp Margaritaville. We're going to head to the one at the end of the resort. It's called the License to Chill pool. At that pool it has a bar and a dock, or I guess I'll call it a dock overlooking the lake. But as you can see there's some diesel pushers there pulled in facing the pool down here, and we'll take a little ride down here in the parking lot. You can rent golf carts. I think they're like $60 or $70 a day. And as we go down the hill, you'll see the bar area where they had music. Not every day, but often. They would actually have other events too. They'd have a music trivia and things like that. So now we'll pull out of the parking lot and head back into the resort. There's a mix of pull-through sites and back-end sites. Everything's angled, so you really have no issue backing in. The streets are nice and wide, so it really makes it large RV friendly. You can't see it, but over on the right there's a huge tree. They have like an eagle's nest area where they actually had some eagles up there at the time I recorded this. I'm not really looking at specific sites. They all basically look the same. There are regular sites, and then there are sites that have like little tiki bars in them, or tiki huts. Some have refrigerators underneath those tiki huts. Some of them are just counter space, but it really adds to the vibe of those specific. Ooh, look out for those scooters in the road. The tiki huts really add to the vibe of the Margaritaville area. And we'll take a ride down and take a look at what a typical side road looks like. There's basketball courts. There is one pickleball court that we'll take a look at in a few minutes. There are laundry facilities that are very nice. They actually have laundry machines that accept wireless payment. You can download an app and pay for it that way. Very convenient. But I think this video kind of gives you an idea of what the campsites look like. To the left right there is a putt-putt course that's really fun. We did that a couple times. And then if you went up that road right there, it takes you back up to the camp office, the pools, the camp store. And as we go down this road, you can see there's even more cabins to rent. They seem pretty popular. When we were there the week, most of them were all rented out. In fact, the whole campground was pretty full. I'm doing this on a Sunday morning, I think, so there's plenty of open spaces at the moment. You can see, like right back there on the left, there was one of those tiki, and there's another one right there, tiki hut. We're going to speed it up a little bit because kind of when you see one part of the park, you've seen it all, especially the campsites. Some of the campsites, or all the campsites, I believe, have like a artificial turf area. And before I go into that, here's the pickleball court. There's also a dog grooming area right behind that. I think they have 2 dog grooming areas at the resort, and they have a couple dog parks that you can let your dog run. Seem to be dog friendly. Lots of kids this week that we were at. I was kind of surprised at how many kids there were. It might have been spring break time. There's another tiki hut. But as I was saying, I believe every site has some portion of artificial turf at the site. So it kind of gives you a grass feeling. And as we pull in here, I'll kind of give you a little tour of what one of these campsites look like. Well, there's one there. Then we're going to go to another one. But you can see the artificial turf that was next to that one. Obviously all full hookups. And if you liked our video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do a lot of other things, camping relating and touring the country relating, so we appreciate all our followers. And here's another site. I'll hop off and give you a better look at what one of these sites looks like. So you can see there's some seating there. This one has a sink, but it's really cool. We did not have one of these. Obviously they cost a little bit more. We went the cheaper route, and there's one of the golf carts you can rent. Very nice golf carts. They even have a little map, like a Garmin type GPS of the resort built into it, so it's kind of neat. So the electric was awesome, the water, sewer, every site has that. There is a dump station, I believe. Yeah, there is a dump station, but I don't know why you would need it. But there's also an entertainment center where they hold events. The week that we were there, they had a vendor / kind of farmers market type event, which was really nice. If you look at, or if you want to watch our other YouTube channel, or not our other YouTube channel, but our other YouTube video that is based on us staying here, you can kind of get an idea of what they had at the vendor market. Lots of kids. Lots of kids at the one pool up here at the activity center. I call it the activity center. It's kind of the main hub of all the activities. Has a water slide and I don't know, like a artificial tree with the water coming up and cascading over it. Very kid friendly. So we'll take a little ride up this road. This takes us to a couple things. We'll take a quick right and I'll show you the main dog area. It's right down here in this parking lot. Straight ahead right there, and if I don't get yelled at, I'll pull right up here as soon as or as far as I can, give you an idea of what it looks like. We had a great week here. We never left we went to Walmart a couple times, which is about less than 10 minutes away. But other than that, we never left the resort. We did go for a bike ride. There's a nice long, flat, straight bike path just outside the main gate of the resort. But we just had a really relaxing, fun time here at Camp Margaritaville. And if you don't have a camper, they have cabins like you saw there. They're just really nice, really clean. So on the right there, you will see the other pool, kind of get an idea. I forgot to mention there's a restaurant right there too that serve some basic food. On the left was the bar, and on the right is the camp registration, and then the store. And in that blue building straight ahead is where they have the event center. I heard they had concerts there. You know, they bring in band entertainers, and they would play right there in that big blue building, and that's where the vendor market was at. So we'll kick the old golf cart into another gear as we're going through this parking lot. There's propane filling right there on the right as we whip around that turn and not hit the other golf cart coming out. And here's another section of the campground. These are all back-end sites, as you can see. I think our weekly or daily rate was about 130 a day, 125, so comparable to a higher end KOA, but great amenities, great. It's you truly do feel like you're in an RV resort. There's a ice cream truck on site that serves ice cream and other frozen treats. And we'll head over to the laundry area, give you a quick look at that. And that's pretty much the entire RV resort. Again, I don't think you'll be disappointed staying here. We had a great time. The staff was great, very friendly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would, please. And right here are the laundry facilities, and I think there's showers. Yeah, the showers and bathrooms here too. Coke machine there if you need a Coke. And that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and please watch the rest of our videos on YouTube.